Yeah, can you share your experience with this treatment?
Yeah, actually, I'm mostly very benefited from this touch treatment. Actually, my mother is a teacher since 4 years, and because of writing on board, she was having a pain in her lower back since 4 years. So we are spending lot of money on tablets. That was completely not useful. It will be giving some relief for the time, and later on the pain will be increases. So that was completely not useful. Then we came to know about this touch. What is this?
Touch therapy.
Acupressure.
Yeah.
Acupressure. Then we started our treatment. So it was for a week or 2 weeks. Then we came to know about results was very good, and she had no pain. She's having no pain right now also. This is very good. I would like to suggest you also.
And did you take any medicines after
No,
treatment?
actually we didn't took any medicines after this treatment, so it was not necessity for us to take medicines. That was very beneficial and useful for us.
Okay. Thank you.